If you guys like how I do my chart analysis on YouTube and you want to learn how to do it yourself, click the link below to check out the Vee Trades technical analysis course. What's up traders, this is Vee Trades, and today I'll be doing a technical analysis breakdown for Meta platforms with the ticker symbol FB. If you want a chart analysis guaranteed to be done, please read the description below. Also take a second to give the video a like and subscribe for more chart analysis. I appreciate it very much. This video is for entertainment purposes only. It does not constitute any financial advice. I will first go over what I see in the daily chart and finish the video off with the weekly chart. Before we begin the analysis on the daily chart, comment down below if you guys would like Facebook or Meta platforms done every Tuesday, and we can call it Meta Tuesdays. So let's take a look at the daily chart. You can see that prices closed at the 195 level today, and even on the 9th of May, prices closed at the 195 level. So again, it's a pretty flat price action for the entire month. So this entire month of price action has been pretty flat. We haven't been really going in any particular direction. We do have trends, micro trends inside this sideways action, but again, it's very weak. We're just going sideways, so it's a very boring stock right now. We do have this sideways action inside of a bigger sideways action. You can see that the price that we're currently trading at is the same price we were back in February and even March. So again, it's pretty much just sideways price action with trends inside the sideways price action. So this is just a range, and it's an inconsistent range, so it's hard to figure out where exactly the support and resistance levels are. It does look like prices are having a hard time breaking through that 237 level, but we have not been up there in a while. And it looks like the bears are having a hard time breaking through this 186 level, because every time we come near it, or even if we do break below it just slightly, we see a rally up. So that's the potential support and resistance levels for Meta platforms. However, where does it look like we're going? Well, it looks like we're kind of near the support side of the range, so we should see a rally to the top side because we are near the lows. But if you look very closely, you can see that we're making lower highs. So that's the first high right there. This is another high that's lower than the previous one. Here's another high that's lower than the previous one, and here's another high lower than the previous one. So we're making lower highs but somewhat equal lows. So something is gonna give. Either the bears are gonna win or the bulls are gonna win. So I don't know exactly which one. There is a short bias to this pretty much since you could say September of last year. We'd be going down, but we could see at least a temporary reversal in the near term. Now if we do get that temporary reversal, where are we going? I would be targeting the higher side of this range, because that's also where the measured move is pointing, and it's right at the 230 level. So that would be a potential target if we get that temporary reversal to the top side. Now if we just start selling off right now, where are we gonna go? We're gonna make a measured move to the downside, and this target is right around that 167 level, which I'll put a horizontal line for. Now I don't think this was the bottom back here on the 27th of April. I think prices probably will eventually come back down to this low. I just don't know when exactly. You can see that we've been going sideways for a month, so that's why sometimes giving a time prediction is not as accurate as giving a price prediction, because eventually we will probably get to price levels. We just don't know exactly when. So these are my two targets that I have in mind. I don't know exactly which way prices are going to break. There's really no confident way of looking at it, but there is a short bias. But again, we could see also temporary reversals like we did over here, which is a very large one. So we are kind of going sideways, so I wouldn't be expecting any breakouts anytime soon. But it also on the other hand, it could happen any day also too. So just something to keep in mind. Now these are my two targets, 165 or the 230 level. I don't know which one's gonna come first, but that's what I'll be paying attention to, because it looks like we're just kind of just going sideways, both in the short term and the long term. So that's everything that's in the daily chart. We can wrap this up on the weekly chart. Here we have the weekly chart for FB, and you can see that, like I said before, we're finding support at this 185 level and having a hard time breaking through it, but we're making lower highs, so it's kind of like a triangle pattern. something like this, where prices are making lower highs but equal lows. So eventually something is going to give. Either we're going to break out to the top side or to the bottom side with a potential channel formation. So don't know exactly which one. You can see that most traders don't know either. That's why we're kind of going sideways. There's some indecision in this market. And to top it off, we are at a strong support level because this potential uptrend since 2013 is in play. If I connect the swings and I drag it up, you can see that we are trading right at the support where we bounced back here in 2020. So we are back at the same support, but we're not seeing buyers step in because they're kind of scared to go long, because again, we have these lower high formation and congestion. So again, there's some reasons to be bullish, some reasons to be bearish. It's hard to pick which way, but if I were to just guess, I would say we're probably going to break out to the top side, probably come back to this EMA, but I don't think we have bottomed either, so we could start seeing a sell-off after we pull back. Now if we don't pull back, then we're probably going to hit this low without even pulling back to the 220 230 level. So that's everything I have for Meta platforms. And remember guys, comment down below if you guys would like a weekly analysis done on Meta platforms, just like I do BABA on Fridays and the SPY on Sundays. Thank you for stopping by and checking out my video. Make sure to check out the rest of the channel, since you might be surprised what you can learn. Leave a comment down below on where you think prices are headed. Also share the video if you want your friends to learn about the markets. Lastly, I appreciate any feedback to help improve the channel, since I want to deliver great content to you guys. See you next time, and bye.